Okay, I'm going to make a short video to kind of help you guys with Google Slides because some of you are still having some trouble getting these turned in. So every day when you open up your Google Classroom, your page should look like this, and you see the stream is open. Of course, you know you can type anything you want on the stream and say hello. This is Noah's. I've created one for him just so I can check it out as it would look like for a student. So what you need to do is you need to go into classwork, okay? And today I'm going to go into math because I want to work on the Google Slides in math, all right? So I need to go down here to where it says View Assignments. I need to click on View Assignment, okay? Now, I need you to go up here into this little box on the right-hand side. It says Your Work. If you'll notice, for Noah's, he didn't do his Google Slides correct. He sent me his Google Slides as finished, but his slides hadn't been done. So I returned them to him. If you ever see this up here where it says returned, that means you didn't finish your work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this up, okay? I'm going to click on it, and it opens up my math Google Slides, Pattern Pals for today. So the first slide, there's nothing to do. It just shows what I'm going to do. It says move the pieces to complete the pattern. So I'm going to go to slide 2, okay? Down here, I have all these different pieces to complete the A-B pattern, all right? And I just click on them and drag. As soon as you go down to these, you should get this little symbol here, and you should be able to manipulate the slide right away. At the top, it should have your name. As you can see, it says up here, Noah Plowman Pattern Practice. This is his copy. It's not my copy anymore. It's his copy. So he's going to go ahead and complete the slide, all right? So it's an A-B pattern, so he's just going to finish out the pattern. And now it's done, okay? I'm not going to go through and do the other 2 slides, but you would go through and do slide 3 and slide 4 the same way. When you have finished, you need to come up here to the right-hand corner, and you need to hit this share button, okay? So you hit that share button, and then you're just going to press done, okay? Now, I'm not completely done here with my math assignment because I have to exit out of Google Slides. So I'm going to exit out. You can't see that, but you just go up to the right-hand corner, exit out of Google Slide, and it will take you back to this. Now, I'm going to hit resubmit on this, or submit if it's your first time. And then it's going to go in, okay? It's going to get turned in to Mrs. Plowman. You need to make sure you're doing all those steps. If for some reason you're trying to do a Google Slide on a tablet or a phone, it will not work. You need to either be using a Chromebook or a PC. Those are the only options that you can use for it. It will not work on a tablet or a phone. So for Google Slides, you'll have to use kind of the old-fashioned version. I hope this helps you. So if for some reason you notice that yours up here says return, that means it got returned to you for some reason and you need to redo it. As you can see, in Noah's now says turned in, okay? Another thing I can do if I need to double check on my work is I can go into classwork, and up here on the left it has this little picture and it says view your work. If you click on that, it'll tell you everything that you've turned in and everything that you haven't turned in. So Noah hasn't turned in his homework yet, so he would need to go in and just open up the homework assignment and hit turn in, okay? Don't forget to turn in all your assignments, but if for some reason you get something that's returned back to you from Mrs. Plowman, it will say returned here, and you need to redo it, okay? Hopefully that helps out. Have a great weekend. Take care.